Hi, this is Monty with Flowers by the Bunch. Welcome to our summer design series. Today we're going to talk about making a beautiful arrangement for your 4th of July table. I've chosen a rustic white container, kind of whitewashed container that I am going to make the arrangement in. This is something I would say put on like a buffet arrangement because I'm going to put some height in it. So I'm going to start with silver dollar eucalyptus. Such a pretty foliage, smells beautiful. And so I'm just going to go all the way around this container with this pretty silver dollar eucalyptus. In the container I have placed Oasis, and I was sure to tape my Oasis in, and then I filled the reservoir with fresh water so that it would have plenty of water so the flowers would last. If your party is going to be indoors, it's going to be wonderful. You're not going to have any problems whatsoever. But if your party is outdoors, especially in Mississippi, be sure that your reservoir is very full of water because the hydrangeas will wilt. So I have chosen this beautiful vibrant blue hydrangea that I'm going to put in the center of my arrangement. I'm leaving the foliage on because I would like for it to help cover my mechanics. I'm also going to use these pretty little miniature green hydrangeas, and I am just going to tuck those all the way around this container, just around that blue hydrangea, so it covers that Oasis and just kind of fills it up. Okay, so there's my hydrangeas. Then I'm going to take the vibrant blue Delphinium, and I'm going to use these in the top of this arrangement to give us some height. Such a bold, beautiful color. Okay, and then I have chosen white Gerbera daisies. Gerbera daisies come in lots of beautiful colors. I chose white because I needed it to be red, white, and blue, obviously. But it does come in orange. They come in hot pink and light pink. They come in red, white, lots of different really pretty colors. Then I have these beautiful heart roses. And if you looked at it really close, you can kind of see how the petals make a heart in the center of that rose. I'm going to remove the guard petals, and then I'm going to wire the rose. And I wire these because I want to make sure that they stay fresh for a long period of time. So to ensure their freshness and that their heads don't dip, I wire their necks. Okay, and as a finishing touch, what I will do is take some little flags that I just bought at the grocery store, and I am going to tuck those little flags right down into that arrangement. I hope you enjoyed our video today. If you want to see more videos, follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel.